The Small Steps of Sami. Sami was a small boy with a big dream. He wanted to become the fastest runner in his school. Every afternoon, he watched the older children race across the dusty field near his home. Their feet moved like the wind, and their laughter filled the air. Sami wished he could be like them. But Sami was not the fastest. When he tried to run, he became tired quickly. His legs felt heavy, and sometimes he stumbled. Other children seemed stronger and quicker. For a while, Sami felt sad and thought about giving up. One evening, as the sun painted the sky orange, Sami noticed a tiny ant on the ground. The ant was carrying a crumb much bigger than itself. Step by step, it moved forward. Sometimes the crumb slipped. Sometimes the wind pushed the ant back. But the ant did not stop. It kept going, even when the journey looked impossible. Sami sat quietly and watched. He realized the ant was not fast and it was not big, but it was determined. It did not compare itself to other ants. It only focused on the next small step. The next morning, Sami went to the field early. Instead of trying to run the whole length at once, he ran from one tree to the next. Then he rested. The next day, he ran a little farther. Each afternoon, he remembered the ant and its crumb. Step by step, he grew stronger. Weeks passed. Sami was no longer the slowest runner. His legs felt lighter, his breathing became steady. One day, during a school race, he ran with all his heart. He did not win first place, but he finished with a proud smile. He had run farther and faster than ever before. Sami learned that success does not come from being the biggest or the fastest. It comes from small, brave steps taken every day. Just like the tiny ant, he discovered that steady effort can carry even the heaviest dreams.